All right, I had the folks at OneKey reach out to me about doing a review of their One S wallet. Yes, this is a sponsored video, so if you do buy one of these OneKey wallets, please use the link in the description and you'll save 10% not only on the wallet, but on staking and earning cost inside of the wallet, and we'll go into that a little bit. We'll learn more together. So let's get to unboxing it. Let's check it out. Very nice packaging. I noticed right away it has very similar kind of Apple style packaging to open. So let's dig into it. I've been kind of chomping at the bit to get this guy open. I just haven't had time to do the video, so I'm glad to finally get the chance to do this and dig in there and see what it's all about. I, for the most part, use a couple other hardware wallets, and you may have heard the saying, not your keys, not your crypto. I use an exchange to purchase my crypto. So let's dig into the box here. Nice little card there, nothing else on it. Hold your own key. There you go, hold your own key. What's in here? We have a QR code to start. Download the OneKey app, which we'll put on our phone. Never import hardware wallet recovery phase into app wallets. Keep it cold. And how to get started. Well, pretty simple. Just go to OneKey Start, download and open the app. Follow instructions to set up your OneKey hardware wallet and discover the OneKey service. These are, looks like some stickers. Not much of a sticker guy. All right, so that's that. This is the wallet itself. Packaging be smarter than I am, but sometimes that happens. Okay, and that goes away. There you go. There's your hardware wallet. Cold storage. So what do I see off the top here? We've got a couple of buttons, power button, up, down, scroll button, and I'm not sure what that button is, but we will learn together. So that's a nice little device. Comes with a USB-C cable. Let's see about plugging that in. Oh, I bet that's an enter key there. So let's go English. Continue. Continue. We're going to create a new wallet. $12 words is probably enough. And then we're going to get our backup phrase. So I think we probably won't show you that on screen. Recovery phrase is the only way to recover your assets, so keep it in a safe place. So now we're going to set a pin. All right, wallet is ready. Download OneKey app and have fun with your wallet. Download, so go to onekey.so/download. Okay, I wanted to show you this is a little bit confusing. So there's no numbers on the input screen there, and there's some random numbers on the input screen there. And I finally figured out that I had to select my numbers from here that are my PIN and then enter them in the masked area here. So I'll go ahead and enter that now and take you to the next step. Okay, another not so intuitive piece is it says it's authenticating, but I didn't realize it was waiting for my input. So yes. Verification successful. So once again, another kind of not really super clear intuitive message, but it says, do you want to restart the device in update mode? Yes, I do. So we'll go ahead and enter the PIN again and do that. So here's my Tangent wallet. We're going to get into the app. And we're going to send all of our CASPA that's in this wallet to, we send all of this that's in this wallet, max, next, and we're going to scan. And I have, there we go. Next. Leave. And now we're going to hit send. And now we're going to scan Tangent wallet. 9 parts. Done. Close. All right, we have the app downloaded now. We have the wallet connected to the computer. So let's go ahead and connect it. And this is the OneKey Classic 1S. So that'd be this one right here. That guy. And it is connected via USB. And it found the device. And now it's going to do genuine check, make sure your OneKey Classic is authentic, and firmware check. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so it's confirming that it's mine. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, there's a little checkbox. Okay, another not so intuitive piece is it says it's authenticating, but I didn't realize it was waiting for my input. So yes. Verification successful. So we can see that it needs a firmware update, so we'll do that, which is pretty typical. So new features added: stellar Soroban, invoke host function op support. No idea, don't really care. Add support for switching from universal to BTC only firmware. I like that. If you really want to have, I will say this is more of a kind of a day-to-day wallet. I mean, I send crypto all over the place, generally mining or renting hash rate. And so I'll probably use it for that. But the Pro version is probably the one I would have for like my savings account, where I'd actually put more crypto. And I like to convert all of my crypto into Bitcoin and then hold it in its own spot. There's a lot of cryptos out there, but there's only one true crypto. I mean, they're all kind of true cryptos, but the OG, which is Bitcoin. All right, so improvements, rename, bug fixes, don't care. So there we go. Let's update that now. Yep, I have my seed phrase. It's connected via USB. Only one connected. All other OneKey apps and web upgrade tools are closed. Yeah, continue. So once again, another kind of not really super clear, intuitive message, but it says, do you want to restart the device in update mode? Yes, I do. So we'll go ahead and enter the PIN again and do that. All right, not much going on the screen on the wallet. Here we are. Now we have our wallet and we have the app. So let's see, what tokens do we have just out of the gate here? A lot of them. I want to just kind of go for the ones that I use the most. So obviously BTC is on there, BCH. Let's do that one. Let's see if it has Caspa. Probably not. Oh my goodness, it has Caspa. That's awesome. So we'll go through. I think that's enough for right now. Caspa is probably the one we'll use to do some transfers back and forth and see how that goes. So let's create the addresses and apply. All right. So let's start off by sending some Caspa to this address. So let's go Caspa. Oh, I wonder, okay, let's not do that here. Let's close this. Let's just say I want to receive. Receive from another wallet. And I want to receive Caspa. Let's see, verify on my device. It's give me a Caspa address on the device. Okay, got it. So there's my Caspa address. So let's get into my Tangent wallet. So here's my Tangent wallet. We're going to get into the app and we're going to send all of our Caspa. That's in this wallet. Next, and we're going to scan. And I have, there we go. Next. Leave. And now we're going to hit send. And now we're going to scan Tangent wallet. 9 parts. Done. Close. And now we will watch here on the screen to see that money come in. Those coins. I don't know for sure, but I'm guessing I might want the app on my phone. OneKey. While we wait for the Caspa to transfer, it should be pretty quick. I mean, Caspa's like super fast network. I wonder how we connect with a hardware wallet. Let's go connect. OneKey Classic. Oh, Bluetooth. Wow. Yep, that one. Pair. Check it. Still watching the wallet on my computer screen. I'm not seeing the Caspa there yet. Are we connecting? Let's connect. Oh, there we go. Oh, I didn't see. There we go. Pair. Check this device with OneKey secure server. Yeah, check. Verification successful. Device setup done. Create your wallet. Protecting the wallet again. All right, so then now there's the wallet on my phone, which is far more convenient than on my computer. So let's see what we have. Caspa should have been here already, I would have thought. Got one. Let's go here. Add tokens. I don't use BNB, so let's take that star off. I might use some Solana. Let's see. No, that's earn. Back to the wallet. Let's see where our money is. Actually, let's just double check with Tangem that it sent. I'm sure it did. Transfer out. Okay, yeah, transferred out. Is that the issue? I want you to create an address. I already have the address. Oh, there it is. There's my Caspa. Okay, so now, what's it like to use the hardware wallet to transfer the money back? So we're going to go to Caspa. We're going to send. We're going to go get our Caspa address. Caspa receive, copy, and paste. Paste. Allow paste. Next. We're going to send Max Caspa. Preview. And confirm. Okay, so it's connecting via Bluetooth. Unable to decode transaction data. Sign at your own risk. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Sign the transaction. Do you want to sign this? Yes, I do. OneKey Classic. Transaction submitted. Okay, so it's interesting. It didn't need to like scan QR codes back and forth. That might be a little bit above my understanding, but maybe because it's on Bluetooth it's connected. That's interesting. So it's sending now. It's getting the confirmations. We will see it come back to our Tangem wallet here in just a moment. And you know what's funny? I actually want to send more money here. Let's go back to Tangem. Cancel. Let's, I don't have a whole lot in this wallet right now. I guess let's wait for that Caspa to come back, and then we're going to send it back. I wonder if I can send this amount here. Send Max. Next. Scan. notice when I'm transferring money back and forth, sometimes the network fee takes a little bit of time. So let's leave some, send, and close. And then we're going to come back to our wallet. So what I want to do here is I want to take our Caspa. There we go. That's about right. It's $8.59. We're going to take our Caspa and we are going to earn. So one of the benefits of this, and you get a 10% discount if you use my referral link, is we're going to do some staking. Caspa. All right, let's look at our recent activity. There has been activity. Let's see, spot. Let's show Caspa. Oh, it's already being shown. Okay. Market. So it's pretty cool to be able to see the markets right here in your wallet. Trade. All right, so now we're in the earning app. I want to. Do I have the ability to? Okay, so what is DeFi Earn? It's an on-chain investment feature provided by OneKey app that allows you to easily participate in DeFi opportunities. It integrates industry-recognized protocols to pursue yield while prioritizing fund security. How does DeFi Earn work on OneKey? DeFi Earn is powered by OneKey's third-party partners, including Morpho, Babylon, Lido, and Everstake. These partners manage the deposit process through their smart contracts and infrastructure, allowing you to conveniently manage all your assets within the app. Each asset has its own participation terms, such as minimum deposit amounts, withdrawal periods, and reward distribution methods. Detailed information is available on each asset's page. How does DeFi Earn charge fees? And this is the important part because you're going to get a discount by using my referral link, if I haven't said it 15 times already. On-chain interactions such as depositing, withdrawing, and claiming rewards require gas fees. For certain assets, OneKey and the vault managers charge a performance fee based on your actual profits. Your principal will not be affected. How do I manage my deposited assets? After, well, you can come through and read all these. And here's the terms and conditions. So that's fantastic. I am a big fan of putting your money to work so that it's doing things for you when you're not using it and not necessarily needing it. So I don't have the funds in here right now, and I need to do that and will, but we're going to probably put maybe a couple $100 worth of Bitcoin in here. Everybody lets you do things with Bitcoin, and see what the returns look like. I encourage you to do the same. I don't know that I want to borrow crypto, but you can. All right. Well, I think that's enough for today. I am kind of excited about this cool little wallet. And I think it's something that's pretty simple to keep with you. And like I say, the 1S I would use for kind of everyday stuff. And then let's see if I can bring up the web page here real quick. Yeah, I would use the 1S for $100 for kind of everyday transactions. And then I would go to the OneKey Pro probably just do Bitcoin on that one and use that for kind of my savings account. Keep it safe. And then it's $278, and using my discount, you save 10%. So it's like $28 off. So it'll be like $250. And yeah, all of the safety protocols and safety hardware, security rather hardware. Yeah, real top shelf. All wireless, essentially air gapped. You can even, as you saw, do Bluetooth. And so the screen there is way nicer than the screen on the 1S because it's a full screen versus just kind of a dot matrix screen. And there you go. All right, well, check it out. Would love to know your thoughts on the OneKey versus Tangem versus Ledger versus, what is this one I have? My Keystone Nexus. Man, I can't believe it. This thing, I use it so little that I have to charge it every time I want to get into it. It's fine. It's a fine wallet, and it's good that I don't use the crypto that's on there, so that's good. Yeah, so I'll probably replace that because I obviously don't use it with the Pro, OneKey Pro. Let's see. What else do they have here? Yeah, the OneKey Classic 1S Pure is Bitcoin only. OneKey Pro, Classic 1S. I think these are for, I'm not sure, maybe, I don't know. I don't do the whole anime thing very much. Well, not at all. OneKey Lite. I wonder if that's that is like the RFID with Tangem. You can do an onboarding session with them. That's really cool. Some swag, gift cards, more swag. You can even buy it with crypto. That's awesome. And some store exclusives. All right, well, check it out. OneKey.so. Use the link in the description so you get that 10% off. Save a little coin for you. Give a little coin to the channel. Again, love to know your comments and what you think of it. I think it's a really cool little wallet, and I'll be using it. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you.